Everyone, myself Rohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. Today I am going to discuss unit number 1, combinational logic circuits. Okay, in this lecture I am going to discuss, in this session I am going to discuss realization of simple 2:1 multiplexer using the gates and applications of multiplexers. Okay, so 2:1 multiplexer, here two input multiplexer. Two input multiplexer means data inputs will be there, two number of inputs will be there. There will be a 2:1 means one output line, one select line will be there. Okay, so there will be a depending on the select line. Okay, so 2:1 multiplexer is a combinational circuit that uses a one control line, yes, okay, to connect the one of two input data lines. Okay, two input data lines are A and B, okay, to a single output Y. Only one of the input data lines can be connected to the output of the multiplexer at a given any, okay, at a given time. Okay, so you can see here logic function table. Select inputs are, if you select line should be a 0, the output will be Y will be selected. Okay, if you select yes, okay, input yes for 1, okay, s equal to 1, select line should be equal to 1, then output will be B. Okay, so product term will be a s bar means, sorry, okay, so you can observe here s bar means, so that is a value should be inverted. Okay, means s equal to 1, s bar equal to 0. Okay, that is product term will be s bar A plus s B. Okay, so y equal to s bar A plus sb will come. Okay, that is a boolean expression. Okay, so you can observe this logic circuit also. There will be a NAND gate. Okay, sorry, there will be a AND gate. Data inputs will be there A and B. Okay, so one input that should be inverted will be there, B will be directly connected. Okay, so if you select directly, if you A equal to, okay, if you select s equal to 0, okay, s equal to 0 you connect. Okay, then at time what happens, suppose s equal to 0, y equal to, you will get A. Okay, means A, whatever the data input will be there, that one you will get. Okay, product term will be s bar A will get. Suppose s equal to 1, you will get output y and product term will be sb. Okay, so logical boolean expression will be y equal to s bar A plus sb will get. So see here, next, two input multiplexer. Okay, for a two input multiplexer you can observe that logic circuit. Okay, so there will be I0, I1 are the inputs. Okay, and also A is the also input. Okay, and also NAND gate will be there. Okay, so you can observe this. So here you can observe the truth table. There will I1 now, I1 and I0 are the input lines. A is the select line. So there will be three NAND gates, four NAND gates are there. Okay, so there will be a switch analogy technology will be there, I0 and I1. So that shows the logic diagram for 2:1 multiplexer. The logic circuit consists of what? There will be a four NAND gates. Okay, those are, okay, connected in a circuit. Okay, and also there will be a select lines will be there. Okay, select lines will be A, only one select line we are taking. Okay, and also I0 and I1 are the inputs. Okay, so depending on that, okay, so select line should be, if suppose select line is 0, I1 and I0 are 0, q will be 0 will get. Suppose select line equal to 1, I0 equal to 0, I1 equal to 0, will get 0. Okay, suppose I0 equal to 1, okay, whatever will be there, that value will be passed. S equal to 1, okay, so I0 value will be passed. Okay, so s equal to 0, that time I1 value will be passed. Okay, so that is the two input multiplexer. Okay, up next, applications. Okay, so application of multiplexer, it is used for data selection. Okay, and in order to pass the data at a high accuracy. Okay, data routing, operation sequencing, parallel to serial conversion, and also waveform generation, logical function generation, we need multiplexers. In this session we have discussed what is multiplexer. Okay, multiplexer, and also the multiplexers are also known as the data selectors. Okay, and also you can you can give the statement for multiplexer is that the multiplexer is a several number of input lines, it is going to convert into a single output line. Okay, that is known as a multiplexer. Thank you.